How to log in Netflix account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. For this, you can open up your Netflix application or just check out your Netflix website. Now here I'm logging in through the website, so I'll just tap on Netflix login. Wait until it loads up. Now to sign in, you need to enter your email address or phone number, then enter the password. Then just go ahead and select on the sign in option to sign in into your Netflix account. However, if you have forgotten your password, you can just select on forgot password. It will redirect you to a new page. So in here you have two options, either to select email address or text messages. If you select email, you'll be sent a recovery link, and if you select a text message, you'll be sent an OTP code. However, if you do not have an account, just select sign up now. To start off, you need to add an email address to link with your Netflix account. Once you have done it, select next. Tap on next again. Then you need to enter a password for your Netflix account. Make sure to add a strong password, then select on next. Finally, you'll be able to select a plan. Select a plan that is appropriate for you, then tap on next. Choose a payment method. If you select credit or debit card, you need to enter a card number, expiration date, CVV, and name on the card. And that is how, after a successful purchase, you will get your hands on your Netflix account. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.